Yes, may I have a bat? Can I have a bat? $100 bat? Oh my god.
Here you go, here's your bat.
Thank you. Can I have some like sauce to go like with it? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Stop it. Look at my bat. I'm gonna eat so good tonight.
3 days later.
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later. Day 2, Day 3, Day 4. A few moments later. 1 eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later. 3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later. Many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow for sure. Eventually, 12 o'clock midnight. 1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Meanwhile.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay. You see me coughing. Why is that question? No. So, friend, I think I have come help me. I think I have the please come. Stop. Are you okay? I didn't expect you to be like. I didn't expect to be like this. I'm sorry, bro. You need any help? Yeah. Let me come sit by you. Stop. So how you doing? You want to play cards, bro? Yeah, bro. No problem, bro. We could play some cards. Yeah. You right, bro? Bro, it's nothing, bro. Bro, it's nothing. Yeah. Bro, are you okay? Are you okay? It's nothing. Bro, it's nothing, bro. Stop. You tripping, dog? Nah, bro. No, bro. I don't do none of that coughing, bro. Nah, bro. No.
Get him some milk!
Stop. Help me! Wake up! Guys, that's gonna end the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell me what y'all want to see and I'll do it. Your command is my doing. So please leave a like, subscribe, and
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life.